But who knows where is the knife? Maybe in the garage. Let me check. Wow. Too much on my head. Batteries, camera, headphones, but here is no knife. Okay, I'm going to look for the knife till the time. Okay, we got the knife. We can go. Okay. I left it. Okay. This way. Okay. It's very hard because there is a fiber across. It's not just plastic material, but it's possible. See? To put out this scrap. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is not good. It's too difficult to make a video. Okay. Here we are. Yeah, this is good when this is in linear with the this crossing point. Yeah, looks quite good. We can move it a little bit up, but let's check if down is aligned okay with the bottom. Okay, this is very good position. We can put out the tape or this protection. Okay, maybe I shouldn't put it out definitely. Okay, let me check. 31. Visually it's okay, quite okay, and 31. Now visually we see a little bit like here. Should go, let me check. But not. Visually it is like this, but mathematically, technically it's not. Technically it's aligned. 31, a little bit lower than 31, a little bit lower, okay. Okay, it's quite good installed. The next one is that one. Here is just straight one, but here we have some defect from the previous tiles installation. We will try to put out this sealing material, because after installation of this upper dilatation strip is not possible to make any changes, or maybe hardly, but almost not possible. So while it's possible, we have to do it. We have to do it only mechanically, because there is no way to do it in another way. like this. Okay, it's necessary to be very careful not to scratch the laminate material. Yeah, it can be very easy happened. So just step by step, layer by layer, till the material is showing. Yeah. Okay. There is wet everywhere, and finally we can try to clean it by such a textile material. But don't worry so much, because anyway after complete installation there will be putting some tile protection not to be kicking, so the tiles are gonna be back, and we need much more now. We need much more to be covered. Okay, so it's okay. Okay, and this is very easy. The simplest way is to put it just there, and that's it. Okay, 30, 30, 30, 30. Here is a little bit like there. It's a little bit flexible after putting it, stretching it, and almost 30, but it wasn't so flexible. Yeah. Okay, but as I told, 1 millimeter is not so big issue. Okay, only here is a little bit, but it can be another discrepancy. This is nice. SOS. So, and basically all apples have been installed at the moment here. The last one is inside because it's drying, in drying process. We need to be completely drained after installation. What we theoretically could do, if we would like to be very precise, we could install also such a small apple in between this space. Yeah, we can do it. I like to be everything in detail. Perfect. Execute. Wow. Whoa. Okay. So first of all we need to do something with this memory effect here. What we can only do to do anti-memory effect. I hope that is enough. Enough because it's strong. Maybe we'll see. So we have to do the same shaping here. Okay. Okay. Here we are. This doesn't matter so much because it's gonna be our only goal. Anyway, we can do also this simple. Okay, in order to be absolutely detailist, put the dilatation strip also here. Okay. The last thing is to install that one here, and this one we start with that side. Okay, it's cleaned. To be not in conflict, you can cut off a little bit more of this. It's not a problem. Okay, but here I think that it's quite nice. Lay out it. Just need to check. We need to check both off. To check, this one is 31 approximately. This one is much lower, I see this. Okay, 1 centimeter lower, but we cannot do anymore because okay, 32 centimeters we can cut here, and here is 32 and a half. So we will start tightly to this side. And okay, was a little bit shocked, confused, yeah. So we will start very tightly. from the start very tightly, yeah? Here is also very tightly. Okay, maximally tightly as it's possible, but we've got only 32 centimeters anyway. And now 32 centimeters, also kept up to this part, kept very tightly installation, very tightly. We are putting as much as possible here. Okay, when it's tight, it's better for finalization anyway. 32, now it's 32 and a half. Okay, and here is only 32, so this is strange, because this must be make any revision. Here is not, but I put it definitely there. Okay, it seems that 32 32 32 and a half. Okay. 32 and a half. Okay. 32 and a half. Okay. 32. And finally, position. Okay, I think that it's nice. Visually it's okay. Maybe you don't see in that camera because that camera is making this sphere, because optic is just a big sheet, of course, like for a couple of euros. But I see that visually there is no deficiency. Visual deficiency is okay, and it's nice. It's all the installation is like all right. So the apples are installed. We are gonna to make a revision of these corners. We really have everything here. This is like a spare corner because it's not layouted. We should have here also the corners, this installation corners. It's not for this. Or maybe yes, maybe yes. Yeah, it's a little bit. Yeah, because it must be like this way. Okay, I put it here. This is just rest, this is just rest. We have somewhere, also for this one must be there. This who just rests. Now maybe that can be the upside. so we cannot find that one. I'm thinking that why, because it should be somewhere here. What we can do from that one. Because now it's not here. Here are rests, and here are the inner corners. Oh no, there is no one. This one is for what? Okay. Okay, I don't know where is that one corner. Because it's a little bit strange, because I made it. I've already made it. Or no? So it doesn't matter. It does is these strips, 20 centimeters. Circa 141. Let's see how length is this one. Wow. Put it here. This is just for another installation. So I have to go down, I have to pick up some material, and after then we will continue. Yeah, or we can continue basically, because without proper material we cannot continue properly. But there is nothing. Okay, I need to go deeper down. Maybe to the pit. Maybe to the pit. Maybe just this one. Tweeters one more time. Oh my gosh. What I'm not what I'm doing. That one, that one. One hundred 140 is okay. Let's say we can do like that way. Okay. Way. 140 is here. use scissors is the best way. So we start from this side, roll up. Okay, this one is for that one. The second one is, let's say, that one. $88. The same principle. Wow. You can leave it here, for instance. The next one is maybe that one. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Maybe it's fighting, maybe. $234, 233. Let's say 233. Okay, 100 is here. And 200. You can roll it in here. $233. Oh my gosh. Somewhere here. because there is so many coils here, we need to make some recognition among them. This is like left side, right side, right, and it's a horizontal, horizontal vertical, right vertical, only right side. Yeah, it's enough. It's enough, and we can put it everywhere now, because now it's recognizable, fully recognizable. This is middle side, middle vertical, yeah, and this is the rest. But this is not enough. I think that it's not enough. And we will see, because we technically we can do it according this one. It's almost enough, but it's not enough. This is a big sheet. Will be trouble, but don't worry. We can find another rest. Maybe here. Yeah. Maybe this one was. Yeah, this one was for this. Don't worry. We put them all together, and we just concatenate them. But let me check this one. This doesn't to be nice. Is it enough for overlapping? No, I'm gonna use better one. This is better for overlapping, and we need really just a small piece of this, nothing special. I think that it's missing like this way. Okay, from this one you can create also the elements, but as far as I'm looking, this smaller one should be better. This smaller one, yeah. And this we can get together. Oh, this is vertical, up. I write just up, upstream, downstream, and it doesn't matter because when it's up, it's up. And this from this one we can do something like this. And I cut it in the middle. Wow, I cut off my new blouse. This is scheiße. We have to put it like this way, and maybe like this way. So we use only one, both of them at once. Anyway, I left the scissors here. This should be, but not yet, because we cleaned the area. Now we need to keep the area in very cleaning status. basically we have everything ready. Yeah, not everything. Not everything, because here I just still need to cut off this one. Maybe scissors. I will try my new experimentation. So see, here is gonna be a it's gonna be like this way. It's working. It's perfect. It's much more precise, much more delicious. Like, do it in original way. Wow, it's a good idea. This cost maybe €1 such scissors, so even if I destroy them. And this one is exactly for, almost exactly for that one. I'm going just to look if we really have no exact one. I think that this one is absolutely perfect. Yeah. Just cut off this residual fiber. This one is absolutely perfect. We will try to leave it here. Yeah, this is for this installation, and I think that we're almost ready, steady to go. There we have. This one is the. There is still one missing. There is still one missing. I don't know how it's possible. But I cannot find still one. No, this or that one. This one is missing. $120. $136, but I'm not sure if it's 136. This is better way. $35, $134, $134. It's the last bid is 133, 34, 133. Wait a moment, this is done? Maybe this one is for that one. Okay, we are complete. We have something like that. And it's very precise. It's very precise because that was meant for details who was doing that one, yeah. Thanks to him. Okay. We'll leave it here. So we are completely ready. We can start with making glue.